Hello, my name is Brandon, and I'm going to teach you about light and sound energy. Dun dun dun! Light energy travels in compressional or longitudinal waves. Light energy does not need matter to travel through. Light energy. Light energy comes from the sun. Plants use it to make food, and scientists use it to create lasers. Examples of it are light bulbs, fire, the sun, flashlights, fireflies, and lightning bolts. Sound energy travels in transverse waves. It does need matter to travel through. It travels best in solids, second best in liquids, and worst in gases. Waves! Earlier, I talked about compressional, longitudinal, and transverse waves. All light and sound travels in waves. Light and sound conclusion. So, you've learned, I've learned, we have all learned.